In this video, I will guide you how to activate Revolut eSIM on iPhone. Open Revolut, choose a data plan and complete the purchase. A QR code will be sent to your email. Go to Settings, then tap Cellular option. Tap Add eSIM. Select Use QR code. Point your camera at the QR code in your email. Tap Continue and wait for activation. Label your new eSIM plan like primary or secondary. Tap Continue. Select a default line for calls and messages. Pick the default cellular plan for iMessage and FaceTime. Choose the default line for cellular data. Tap Done and your Revolut eSIM will be successfully activated. So, this is how you can activate Revolut eSIM on iPhone. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.